Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everybody's doing really well out there today. Now, I'm not one to get too involved in internet drama for a number of reasons, but I will be honest that I used to watch some of the drama channels for a while, but I've kind of just lost interest over the years and haven't given that genre of content much of my attention in quite a while. This morning, though, I ran across some drama that honestly shocked me, and the reason for the drama is just beyond my comprehension. And after you've watched this video, I would love to know what your thoughts are on all of this. I'll try to have links in the video description if you want to check out any of the stuff that I reference in this video. But before we get into the drama that I'm confused by, we should take a step back to yesterday. So yesterday, MKBHD, or Marques Brownlee, released his review of the Humane AI Pin. Now, he's not the first person to review this product. Hell, he's not even the first person to release a negative review of this product. Almost every review of the product says that it's not good. So I watched Marques's review and appreciated his approach to the review, the structure of the video, his opinion on the device itself, and these are things that lots and lots of people appreciate about Marques's reviews. So after watching this video titled "The Worst Product I've Ever Reviewed," for now, I moved on with my day. I didn't really give the video a second thought, as it's not a product that I'm interested in. But for the record, I wasn't interested in the product even before watching Marques's video review. So fast forward to this morning. I got up, grabbed a cup of coffee, and sat down at my desk to read emails and doom scroll social media before I had to start doing more productive things with my day. Unfortunately, I suppose I am still on Twitter. Yes, I'm calling it Twitter. You're not going to change my mind on that. Anyway, scrolling through Twitter is unfortunately part of my morning routine. And one of the first posts I saw on Twitter was from somebody by the name of Daniel Vassallo. I think I've got that right. Maybe I don't. Doesn't really matter. But he had posted a tweet or whatever about Marques's video about the Humane AI Pin. He said, and I quote, "I find it distasteful, almost unethical, to say this when you have 18 million subscribers. Hard to explain why, but with great reach comes great responsibility. Potentially killing someone else's nascent project reeks of carelessness. First, do no harm." Now, first do no harm is the Hippocratic oath that doctors take when they become doctors. That has nothing to do with being a content creator. And I found several other people in the comments shared my opinion on that fact. Second, the title of the video is about as honest as it gets. But that's what Daniel Vassallo is the most upset about. He seems to think that, and I quote, "The YT title was meant to crush them, a show of force by MKBHD. He also said in a reply to his tweet, "MKBHD almost certainly chose that title for sensational purposes and didn't care about the collateral damage." Now again, Marques isn't the first, last, or only person to give the Humane AI Pin a bad review. But again, for some reason, Daniel Vassallo is seemingly convinced that MKBHD is trying to weaponize his audience and his reach on the internet to take down companies. I don't understand that. I know that Marques gave a bad review to a Fisker car the other day, and then he gave this review on this device. So apparently giving two bad reviews is trying to weaponize his audience and his reach and take down companies when he's just giving people his honest opinion on these products. I'm confused, but let's move on. Also, I've got to give it to Marques as his only reply to Mr. Vassallo was, "We disagree on what my job is," and he left it at that. Even I tweeted more responses to the whole thing than Marques did. So after scrolling through the comments of the original tweet, I then shared it with my Discord and closed my browser and went on with my day. A little while ago, after doing my adulting for the day, I opened Reddit, and one of the first posts I ran across was on r/facepalm. It was a screenshot of the tweet with a title that said, "Apparently telling your viewers about a horrible, overpriced product causes harm." And it seems that most of the responses to that Reddit post agree that Marques did a great job with his review and that he, in fact, did not have to take the Hippocratic oath when he started reviewing products online. So I guess at this point, my question is, am I wrong to think that Mr. Vassallo is being a bit dramatic about all of this? should Marquez get called out like this because someone on Twitter didn't like the title of his video? Even if the title is a bit clickbaity, does that negate the actual review of the product? Okay, so that was a few questions, but the more I think about this whole ordeal, the more questions I have about Vassallo's take on the whole thing. And this is where I would like you to let me know your thoughts about this whole debacle in the comment section down below. Also, while you're there, let me know if you're interested in me covering more community topics like this, whether it's crazy stuff like specifically like this drama, or whether it's other community related topics like news or that sort of thing. Let me know all of that in the comment section down below. But I think with all of that said, I am going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I do want to thank you guys for spending a few minutes of your day with me today, and I will talk to you in the next video.